අප්පට මේ බඩු ෂෝක්නේ මම.
Alright guys, now if you came this far, I'm really happy because I think you really want to know what's in my video. So this part is not for you. This part is really boring. I'm going to explain how this all happens. So normal people skip to this timestamp. I'm putting somewhere on the screen. The nerds, you should stay with me. This is for you guys. So this is why I'm doing this. So what happened here is this is a microphone. So you can just use the electret microphone here without now this one. In this case there's a digital pen, but we are not using that. We are only taking the analog signal. So you can use the normal electret microphone like only this part. Okay. What we do is we take the signal from here, we feed it to here. This is the microcontroller, this is the brains. This will do some calculations. So this is a very fast processing microcontroller, so it will be very fast, and in a moment. Oh shit. Moment is a bit long, right? No, not a moment. So yeah, and in one cycle it gives out what should be lit here, what color should be lit here, how many lights should be lit here. So everything, it will all figure out quickly. So for example, if you want to react to frequency, the pitch the singer is in, the pitch the song is in. So like it will be beautiful, right? When so in a song the chords changes, when the color changes, it will be much beautiful. I think it will come out great. So I'm going to implement that. So we take the signal from here and we put it here. So if you want to know what frequencies are available, we have to use FFT, fast frequency transform. It should be fast Fourier transform, okay, not frequency, it's Fourier. So Fourier is actually very great mathematical concept where you can, when the time sample is given, within the time sample you can find what frequencies are available. So yeah, that's a quick tip. That's a mathematical signal processing thing, so you can search somewhere on the internet. So I'm not going to make my video more boring by explaining that. I'm sorry guys, so you have to search from somewhere else. I don't want to settle for low number of views. Okay. This will do the processing here and give the output here. If you want to react to power, the energy level, we take the signal from here, we feed it here and do some calculations. Again, you can try Parseval's theorem or something like that. So you can search them on the internet and easily find them. Again, I'm not going to make my video more boring, so I'm going to keep it short as possible. We do the calculations here, give the signal here. So that's what basically happening. So if you want to go more deep into this, the two things you want to search is fast Fourier transform and Parseval's theorem. So that's all. So we are going to head back to the fun part.
I think I set up the circuit right, but there's a teeny tiny problem here because see, when I'm not speaking or when it's dead silent, this isn't supposed to happen. That shouldn't be reacting. That's okay, that I accept because it's in my code. But this part, something is wrong. So let's try to figure out what went wrong. I think I know what the problem is. So in this mic, the signal it gives is very small, and when the signal goes through this, the electrical noise in here get added up to this, so the signal gets distorted. So the signal that goes into the code which is to be processed is not exactly the mic. That's why we get random light patterns. So to avoid that, we should have an amplifier here. So to do that, we need this buddy here. This is the amplifier we are going to use. So this I'll put the name somewhere on the screen. Okay, now I have the amplifier here. So the results, the thing is looking good. It's reacting to my voice. So if I raise my voice, it's going to light more lights. So it's cool, right?